Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope everything is fine. This is our weekly Forex review, and so on that week we have many events which is very important for the market. And one of these, this is the Federal Reserve new chief officer which will come, and then this is the meeting between the Trump and the president of China on 14th, 15th of May. It's also a Clarity Act which will be approved in this month. And this is the CPI index, which by the way today, and so many events on this week which can react in the market and give us many possibilities to make profit on the market. And I'll show you everything now, what we can do and how we will make profit on this week. Let's go. So guys, and let's see what happened on the gold, because most of our profit we're doing exactly on the gold. You can see it screens now. On the screen you can see our screenshots with the profits, and we did it only on the last week, and every day we have like 2-3 deals like that in my Telegram channel. And if you're still not subscribed, I recommend you to do this right now, the link under that video. And so what I'm waiting for, basically this is the bullish now, and I'm waiting something like that, and grab all this liquidity on 4,800 or something like that. But we should be ready for the CPI index, which will be today. And maybe if we will see that the price will do some actions like this, drops, and then do there some range, maybe they will go to grab all these liquidity levels also, because there's many liquidity here, and the huge imbalance here. That's why I definitely recommended you to try the long position only from here with the stop losses here. That will be anyway most grammar position now on the market. And if you will see that it start like any range, creating a range or something like that here, in that case, basically better to close your position and already try to catch it a bit lower. So also we can wait that it will go directly from here, because we already touched this imbalance, and directly from here we can go and update this high. And after that, on the pullback, it's also a good idea to take a long position. For sure, when I will open that position, I will text about that in my Telegram channel, in my premium group, and everybody who want to join can do this now totally for free. Link under that video, and we will trade together and make profit together. But basically this is my opinion now on the gold, that we will see something like that. Also globally we can see that even the drops are under the 4,000. It's also possible because there is many liquidity on that levels, and even to drop this here to this order block, it's also okay, because there we have another point from where we will take the long position, but now it looks quite strong. It still didn't close all this imbalance, and this zone is the main target now for gold to go here. And that's why I prefer to trade now from a long, and all my trades you can see in my Telegram channel. But if you will trade by yourself, be careful, because now when today will be the index update, there could be some volatility, and turbulence. You should be ready for that. Also guys, let's see in the same time on the euro what happened in here. Basically we are in a range here, and we now on this sell zone, and I told you many times that from this zone we should to sell, from here, from this zone we should to buy, and we can exactly how we did it here. We sell and make huge profit here, then we buy here, and we did a huge profit there. But now I waited for some correction to close this imbalance, but now we can see that the USD is weak and the euro is much stronger. That's why I'm waiting for one more deviation here, and only from here I already will reopen my short position. Intraday I can open some long position also, and I'll text about that all in a more detailed analysis in my Telegram channel. But basically now the structure now is we can see that it's easily will go higher and do one more deviation. So if we will see that now the structure will break and it will update this point, okay, good. In that case I will find entry point in short, and I will try to close this position and get some trades like this. So guys, let's see also in the same time on the pound and what happened in here. We have a huge amount of liquidity here, which should be grabbed. Also, I was waiting here also for the short, but now we can see that it's bullish. It's bullish. Even the candles like this coming, but okay, it's not right. But we can see that here right now, and yeah, if we'll update this high, and then I'm waiting for something like that. And after one more deviation, I will find the short entry point and to take all this trade, all this space for the trade. Yeah, because the main target here, this is this imbalance where we have, see, empty zone. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for something like that on the pound. Yeah, on the pound, we can see this because of high rates on the Bank of England. Yeah, and this is totally okay because USD is now as weak as I told, and I'm waiting for something like that now. If I will see that the structure is breaking and we can see any like break of structure and any notice that it can fall, yeah, I will write about that in my Telegram channel. I will open the position and give you this position for free. And for sure, I will open the short and will take all these short because basically, I'm waiting for a good short here because I'm waiting for a good short here. We're almost in our sell zone, from where we can take a really nice short and take all this movement, which is almost 3% of clear movement. Yeah, on the Forex with the high leverage, this is a huge movement. This is a huge movement what we're waiting for. So I'm waiting now for some, oh, it's not my penny. Yeah, this. I'm waiting now for something like that. And that will be good. Yeah, more detailed, I'll write about all that in my Telegram channel. If you want to join, please click the link below and you will be with us. It's now available for everybody and totally for free. If your assets blocked on a crypto exchange and you don't know what to do with that, I can help you because I have professional lawyer team who can help with unlock your crypto exchanges. Any of these, Binance, Bybit, OKX, FTX, BingX, any of them. If you got this issue, just text me directly on my Telegram and tell me just when you got blocked your exchange, what you did already, and what the reason of blocking your exchange. And I will help you to return your assets. Also, guys, we have many interesting things about the crypto, you know. Yes, I guess you remember that I told you a month, 2 months ago that I'm waiting this zone. And yes, I'm waiting this so long time and everybody told me that you will not get this zone 85 about what you're talking, Vladimir. No, it's not real, it sounds like that. But now I can see that clearly we got this zone. And now everybody in the short. When I told about that 2 months ago, nobody believed in the short, but now everybody in the short. And in some cases, it's good that I was right. But now I can understand that if many people in the short, the market always going in another side. And that's why we have another scenario. And you should be ready for this scenario also. And exactly what I mean. Because on this week, we have a Clarity Act versions. We can understand that many important things happen. Yeah, this is the news about the Clarity Act and will they approve it or no. This is the new head of Federal Reserve, Kevin Warsh, which is by the way more loyal for the crypto and for everything. And this is a meeting between the Trump and the president of China, and I guess that this is so many events in the one day. This is CPI index also on that week, and for sure all of this, if all of these positive things will happen, we can see easily movement somewhere to 1996 or maybe in 100k to this order block, to this zone. And in that case, for sure, all who is short and open the short now, open short here, and who trying to short all this movement, they will liquidate it totally. Yeah, they will just cut all of them. And that will be exactly what market doing always. And in that case, please follow this scenario. And if you open the short position, you should have a short stop loss and be ready to re-enter it higher. And in that case, you will be safe. Yeah, and when you will catch the right position and right entry point, I mean here, or here, it depends now of the all things which will happen on that week. We can really grab so huge movement. We can really have all this movement, which will cover all stop losses, everything, all costs which you got before, it will cover for sure. Yeah, it's okay because you should always to keep right risk management, guys. Please, it's very important. Your risk management should be maximum 3% on your position. If you have huge deposit, it's only 1% from your deposit for each position. This is very important. Please always keep it in your mind. So why I'm waiting that we can see this movement, because the Clarity Act review, and they only start now to think about that and to start this process. And we can see already this Goldman Sachs and JPMorgan, they already start hire many people of crypto experts for them companies in a huge amount, and that means that they're preparing for something in the crypto. And that's why I'm advising you to pay attention to the crypto market now, because it will give now a nice volatility moment which you can monetize and make profit here with me or alone. I wish you only the best, guys, and just giving you the vision and the scenario how it can happen. And as you can see, I understand, me and my team making profit on the market every single day, and you also can do this. You just should understand how it works like, and about all of these things in more detail, and exactly just showing where I'm enter, where is my stop loss, where is my take profit, and how I do profit every day. I'm showing in my Telegram channel, link under that video. We have already more than 10,000 members of my Telegram channel, and you could be next of it. So if you wanted to join, just click the link, and I will be glad to see you with us. Yeah, by the way, locally, if you wanted to see something here on a Bitcoin, yeah, if you're a risky guy and you wanted to open the long position, for example, yeah, and you believe that now we will see the bullish movement on the Bitcoin, yeah, the first zone, it's 76, 77K, from where you can take the long, and more strong zone is 72, 73K, from where you can take the long position if you wanted to take a long, because now it looks really strong, really strong. They can drop a bit of the price to grab liquidity, and they will for sure continue to go higher. Yeah, anyway, I'm in a short position. I'm ready for everything. I'm ready to enter higher. I'm ready, and I will put my stop loss in the break even if it will go down and dump right now. So anyway, we will win on that market, but I want just to give you more understanding how it will happen, and what exactly react in the market, and why price is going in that side or another side. What I'm thinking basically will be really nice if now the Trump will say again about all the situation, like, you know, they create some negative news about everything, and everybody will think this, oh no, this is the end, now everything will drop and something like that. Then on the 14th, 15th May, they will meet with President of China, and we will got some news about the de-escalation in Iran, and they have diplomatic way decision about all the things. And in that case, for sure, price and our risk markets will go higher and higher. And yeah, they will, as usually, cut everybody who is in short now. Also, guys, I wanted to show you Ethereum and explain what happened here. Yeah, on the Ethereum, for example, yeah, because we have this zone for a long position, because now it's have there like in a bullish flag. Yeah, you see, yeah, it's a little bullish flag. Yeah. But anyway, it should grab some liquidity here, and after that, movement can be here. So you can try to open your long from that liquidity zone only from here. Don't open long right now. Please be safe and trade smart. But basically after that, all of that, I'm still waiting the short, and that's why this is my short zone from where I will take the short position. So guys, and most important notice, this is about the Cooper and what will happen on the Cooper, in my opinion, because the Cooper is very important metal now, and you know, because the Cooper is, they're using this in the cable, in batteries, in chips for AI technologies, and I mean for machines which is using for AI technologies. And so the Cooper, it's the most important things for today. I told about it 2 months ago. I am telling you again to remind about that, because I guess this price for a Cooper now around the $5, and this price even on the spot will increase in the 3 times. I mean around the $15 already in the soonest time. So you can buy it for a spot, or you can buy the ETF from company COPX, and this is a good idea in my opinion, because the Cooper will show a huge bullish movement in the soonest time. Just guys, you should be sure in that. Just believe in that, and you will see how it will happen. Yeah, and you can also adjust all the pullbacks and all now corrections on the Cooper. Just buy in the long on the futures and trade it easily also to make profit. This is my really confident recommendation for now, because my opinion that Cooper already 15 years in the bullish trend, it will continue going higher and higher. So guys, this was our weekly Forex review. Thank you for your attention. I remind you that I have more than 10,000 people in my Telegram channel and community, and now you can see on the screens review of all our members and everybody who is with us, and you can be next who will join our community and start make profit on the market. And if you wanted to do this, just click the link below under that video and join us. See you on the next week. Bye bye.